My CA foundation results were out. I thought अब तो CA बन ही गया हूँ. But CA Inter proved me completely wrong. It was February 2022. My CA foundation results were out. I was extremely happy, not just for myself, but everyone around me had cleared their CA foundation exam in the first attempt itself. For the first time after COVID, life felt connected again. I had my routine, I had my discipline, I had my path, and that path was a CA. Hi, I am Pratham Jain, and this is my intermediate journey. Like most of the students after foundation, I also thought, now after giving 2 exams, I will be CA. I try to be focused, sincere, and genuinely believe that I would be clearing CA final and Inter in the first attempt itself. What I don't know that CA Inter don't just test intelligence, but it also tests discipline. My day starts around at 5:30 a.m. Classes at 7, back home by 3 and 4 p.m. पूरे दिन classes then homework. Many students don't like this routine, but I genuinely loved it because during COVID I had no structure, no routine, and no clarity. And suddenly I had a path. From January to July 2022, life revolved around coaching. Honestly, I spent more time in coaching rather than at my home. 8 subjects, 8 hours of study, 2 to 5 minutes of break in between, 1 hour of lunch break, and then coming back to the home and do the homework by night. And sleep early so that you can repeat the process tomorrow. At the end of March 2022, my body had adapted. Wake up, classes, homework, sleep, and then repeat. But all of this built something very crucial for CA, that is sitting capacity. To sit every day and show up every day, that too with consistency and discipline. And that is all you needed to clear the exam. By July 2022, my syllabus was complete and revision was going on. But the test series had already been started. That's when the reality hits. I was scoring 30, 35, or maybe 40 by luck. But this test don't just test your knowledge, it tests your ego. And it's better to get it tested before the exams. Marks reflect नहीं हो रहे थे. But I tried, I studied, continued my revision, and slowly my marks improved, concepts are retained, and things are building up as I needed. By the mid-October 2022, I was not overconfident. I was just ready to give the exam. During the 16 days of my exam in November 2022 of my CA Inter, my plan was simple, to stay calm, stay consistent, because whatever meant to be happen, will happen. I need to do my part. I never studied after the exam on the same day. So to compensate that, I used to wake up early, maybe around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. For low, I woke up around 2 a.m. For cost, I woke up around 3 a.m. By the time audit came, I was sleeping less than 5 hours daily. Still, audit went decent. DT and IDT felt like a blunder. FM and ECO was a mix. Overall, my attempt was uncertain. और कुछ टाइम बाद मैं मेरा पोस्ट एग्जाम पीरियड इंजॉय कर रहा था, तभी ICAI declared the result date. It was morning, I wake up early, I checked the site, but result had not been declared yet. Sitting in front of the laptop, opening the result site not loading, CAPTCHA not working. Until then the news came that the result had been declared. I again tried to log in my details, but instead of roll number I put the CRO number, instead of CRO number I put the roll number. Again the site didn't get load, again the CAPTCHA didn't work. I tried and my friend started calling, हुआ नहीं हुआ हो गया. I hung up the calls. I fill in the details, roll number, CRO number, and the CAPTCHA, and just press the enter. And at one enter, I see pass and pass. I jumped so high that only a CA student can relate to me at this time. My parents were beside me. I hugged them. My grandmother was outside the room. I ran to her and said, "हो गया," and she hugged me back. And that's the moment every CA student lived for. I lived it and I experienced it. उस दिन मुझे समझ आया, इतने महीनों तक रोज़ लगता था कि कुछ नहीं बदल रहा, और 1 तारीख से सब बदल गया. बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि तारीख हर बार वही रहती है, वही तुम, वही हम, वही दुनिया, पर 1 तारीख ऐसी आएगी जिस दिन सब बदल जाएगा, और वो तारीख तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रही है. This video isn't about convincing you to do CA, but if you are already on this path, then this video is for you. Keep studying, keep trusting your effort, and one day you will get your तारीख. I scored 448 marks, and I again thought, अब तो CA बन ही गया हूँ. But then I realized this journey isn't about clearing the exam, but it was preparing me for a much more bigger fight and one final battle. That is Until then, see you in final.